If you're experiencing issues with the Rocket League update getting stuck, follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. This can help reset any temporary glitches that may be causing the update to stall. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can hinder the update process. Consider resetting your router if necessary. Step 3. Clear cache. For consoles, power off the device completely and unplug it for a few minutes. For PC, you can clear the cache by navigating to the game's properties in your library and verifying the integrity of game files. Step 4. Update your system. Make sure your gaming platform PC, PlayStation, Xbox is running the latest system software. Outdated software can sometimes interfere with game updates. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the update is still stuck, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Rocket League. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing the update issue. Following these steps should help you get past the update issue. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.